After over 1.5 years, it's back to taking online classes offline. Students in various states are returning back to schools with, of course, a slew of guidelines being put in place for their own safety amid this pandemic. It's back to school in as many as 5 states and 2 union territories. Schools have resumed classes for students from class 9 to 12 in the national capital. As per the SOPs laid down by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, schools will only be allowed to have a maximum of 50% students in a classroom. Only vaccinated teaching and non-teaching staff will be allowed to enter the school premises. A consent form from parents will also be must for every student to appear. Schools have also been reopened in other states like Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan and Puducherry. In Uttar Pradesh, this is the latest phase of school reopening, with primary schools also opening up. Some health experts have advised caution in classrooms. They say that following COVID-appropriate behavior is tough for kids. Kids are, remember, not vaccinated yet. But experts have said that the good thing is that they are able to also fight off any infection.
Morning prayer, morning assembly, kids gathering for the assembly in the school premises. This is happening in the national capital after really a very long post-COVID situation. When the situation was deteriorated, the schools were shut down, the academic institutions were shut down. But finally, from the 1st September, as the Delhi government announced, the situation in the national capital is getting better. Here the schools have been reopened, and on the first day in this government school in East Delhi, the class 12 students have managed to reach, despite the heavy rain showers pouring all across Delhi, and despite it is because the enthusiasm that these children had to attend their schools. And remember, it has been quite a long gap. They haven't been to their school, and now here in the morning assembly. So as far as COVID arrangements and protocols are concerned, there is the 2 students maintaining a social distancing from each other. There are sanitizers being provided. Each kids, upon their arrival, upon their landing in the school at the gate, main gate premises. Also subsequently, while sitting in the classroom, the social distancing is going to must. But for now, here at the assembly hall, the teacher welcoming the students with open hearts. After all, is going to be really long time when these kids will be meeting their friends. Schools and other educational institutions in Rajasthan have been taking gradual steps towards reopening after the Gehlot government in the state allowed their reopening from today, that is September 1. We are right now at Subodh Public School, one of the prominent schools in Jaipur. With me is the principal of the school, Kamaljeet Yadav, and a few students. Ma'am, what kind of guidelines and detailed SOPs that have been laid down so as to ensure that there is no spread of COVID and the entire process of reopening is smooth?
The government has laid down proper detailed guidelines. Regarding this, we are taking care in the school, like when the students are coming, they come in 50%. To ensure 50% attendance, we had asked the permission of parents through a Google form. And only on the basis of that, we are allowing the students.
There is a certain amount of apprehension that something wrong can happen, and are you fearful, or you want the classes to resume, the schools to resume?
Yes sir, I am happy and I am not fearful about that, because it is a good thing because online classes are also affecting our studies.
Sneha is a class 12 student. Sneha, happy that schools are resuming, or there is a certain amount of apprehension in your parents, whether were they like fearful whether to send you or not?
So I'm happy, as it was like the concentration was distracting kind of, and my parents are actually happy.
In Jaipur, the students by and large feel that it was high time that physical classes resume, and the sense of apprehension amongst the students clearly is not there, and they feel that the sooner things become completely normal, the better it would be. With camera person Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
On the ground, clearly, there's mixed reactions to schools reopening across the country. But let's tell you what really experts have to say about this entire debate about schools reopening again for students. Those for it say that kids have better immunity, so they can handle the infection better. Even if they test positive, it will be a very, very mild infection. Those against schools reopening say that right now, with so many warnings of a third COVID wave hitting us, this is not the time to go ahead and unlock. Those for schools reopening reopening have said that there's a low risk of very severe infection among kids, and you have data to really back that. But some who are opposing school reopening say that right now, and this is an important point, vaccination is not available for children. Trials are still on that front, so they're saying hold off till vaccines are available for kids. Experts have also said that kids clearly are missing out on critical social and life skills, and it has huge mental repercussions for them and on the growing faces. Those people, these experts have said that it's time to reopen schools because they've already suffered for 1.5 years. However, the other argument opposing this is that school safety measures must be taken up, and how much can you really control COVID protocol in the school campuses? Those 4 reopening schools have said that the social divide, the digital divide for online classes is something that we've struggled to address in the last many months, but experts have said, at what cost will you bridge this particular divide? They're saying that ventilation, social distancing in classes is a huge challenge, and there's no way to monitor every single school. So those are the arguments for and against. Wherever you stand on this debate, schools are now reopening. The administration is promising that they're ensuring all protocol is followed.